impeachment. Tapos ngayon, the election. So, ibig sabihin, accountability of public funds is less important kasi uunahin natin ang election ninyo. Oh, so ibig sabihin, ano, wala ebidensya. Eh, last year pa yan eh. Dapat final nila last year. Wala eh. Yung ginagamit nila yung COA, humingi hanggang makahanap kayo ng anong pwede namin gamitin. And all because we are in this, all because gusto ni Martin Romualdez mag-president, hindi siya makontrol ng presidente natin, na hindi marunong mag-desisyon, walang decision-making skills at all. Zero. We are wasting time as a country on what we need to do. Oh, kawawa na tayo. Pero nandito tayo. God, nandito tayong lahat. Fishing for evidence so that we can demolish a family that is a threat to our personal gain. We are wasting time. This country should be working on being competitive, jumping to middle income, aspiring to be a first world economy. What are we doing? Doing nothing at all. Magkano ang dollar? Nasaan ang remittance ng mga OFW na inaasahan lagi ng gobyerno na hindi naman dapat? Wasting time as a nation, as a people. We made a mistake with that Marcos, and we are wasting time. Yes, ano tanong kayo?
Naniniwala po ba kayong tatayuan ng COA ang kanilang mandato or eventually, sorry for the term, ilalaglag din nila kayo eventually?
I don't know. Diba? Ay, review nyo yung review nyo yung hearing. Yung hearing kanina. Ay, nung last hearing. Nung tinanong si COA. Oh, COA. Ay, ano pa, apelido nun? I don't remember. Diba? Gusto mo rin magtrabaho? Diba? Gusto mo rin magtrabaho? Yes! I need to work on the notice of suspension. I have a video of Cordova talking shit about me and Yusek Lopez.
So COA and House of Representatives are working together?
Yes. Actually, sila lang ang working together and lahat ng taong bayan are just, parang playthings to the rich. They don't care. They don't care about you. Wala.
Mayan, alas na lang, what will happen to Pili Lopez po? Ano mangyari? Babalik po siya sa HOR or sinundan yung paano yung
Well, I really do not know right now what will happen to her. We just trust that the doctors know what they are doing, and then we entrust to them her healthcare plan. So, kung ano yung gusto ng doctor, kung ano yung gusto ng nanay, yun yung susundin namin.
how's your health status?
As I said kanina, hindi mo siya makausap eh. But she answered some questions of the doctor. pero hindi lahat din. And then, pag kami yung kumakausap sa kanya, hindi siya nagsasalita and really, I'm worried kasi kanina din, inano niya yung ballpen pa. Ginaganyan niya yung ballpen na sinabihan namin siya, sinabi niya sa amin na ayoko na ito, make this stop, I will stop this. Ganyan na mga ano. And she already said her piece kanina before she started vomiting. She said her piece. Parang she doesn't feel safe. And she is astounded by the lack of rules. She is astounded by the assault to democracy. Okay, thank you.